Hi, third grade thinkers. We're going to go over the two math sheets that you have for the week of September 10th in this packet and tonight's specific homework, equal group sizes. First, we're going to go over the math here. Now, this is very straightforward. You are just using whatever strategy you're comfortable with to complete these math facts. Let me review some of them. You could draw a picture of equal groups. You could do that. You could draw an array. But what's easiest for this and what you have room for is just skip counting on your fingers if you need. As you continue to skip count on your fingers, you'll start to remember these facts really quickly. So for example, here it says 1 times 2. One group of 2 is 2, and you'd put the 2 there. Two groups of 2, 2, 4. You'd put the 4 right there, and so on down the sheet. And remember, this isn't due until next Monday. For this worksheet, again, the directions are here, but I'm going to show you how to do this on my whiteboard. So here I have 3 multiplication problems written out, very similar to what is on your sheet. I'm going to skip count and think in my head, one group of 2 is 2, and I'm going to write that answer in the space provided. Then here I'm going to say 2 groups of 2. All right, I'm going to skip count by 2. 2, 4. I'm going to put 4 here. And then I'm going to do the same for 3 groups of 2. 2, 4, 6. Now remember, if it's hard for you to skip count, whisper count. Remember, we've done that in class. So I'll show you that for 3 groups of 2. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how I've got my 3 groups of 2. Now what I'm going to do is I have to match up these products with the correct repeated addition problem. So I'm going to do 2 plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, is 4. Now you may not need to use your fingers, and that's great, but some of you, it's okay to use that strategy. Now I'm going to count by 2's in this problem, 2, 4, 6. And now I'm going to count by 2's here. Oh, I only have one group of 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. Now you would think you're done, but you're not done yet. Now you have to draw a line to the problems that match, the products and the sums. So here my product is 2. I have to find the sum that is 2, and I'm going to draw a line to it. Same here. The 2 factors are 2 and 2. My product is 4. Sum is 4 on this side, drawing a line, and then I complete it by drawing a line to the 6. All right, so that's the homework help for this one. Let's move now to the groups of equal size. Here you're going to find groups of different animals. And here I've got an example of one here. Now, you're going to look at your groups of pictures. You're going to create an addition problem, a groups of problem, and then create a multiplication problem. Let me show you what that looks like. Here I have 2 groups, or I have groups of basketballs. The first thing I want you to do is circle the equal groups. So I see a group of 3 here, and I see a group of 3 here. I'm going to circle them. Now I've got my equal groups drawing. So now I have to write the repeated addition problem. I have 3 basketballs here, and I have 3 basketballs here. So I'm going to use those to create my repeated addition equation. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Now I'm going to do my groups of sentence. I have 2 groups of 3 basketballs. And now I'm going to use my multiplication skip counting to figure out what that is. I have 2 groups of 3. So 3, 6. And now I'm going to write the multiplication problem. Now all of you know that groups of, the symbol we use is a multiplication sign. So now all I'm going to do is move these numbers down into my multiplication problem. I have 2 groups of 3, and it's still the same problem, equals 6. You're going to do that for each of these groups. Then on the back, it gives you the multiplication problem. You are to write the repeated addition problem. So here we have 4 groups of 3. So each of these, we're going to put the 3 inside. And you know that we're going to have the same sum because 4 groups of 3 is just a faster way to write for a repeated addition sentence for 4 groups of 3. All right, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Mrs. Burbank's 3rd grade Thinkers class. Have a good night.